Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising SA2 syllabus. Today we will revise fourth lesson, the monkey band. So what do you mean by band, children? Band is a group of people who play music together and have fun. Now let us see explanation. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. As you can see here, this is Mowgli and this is Baloo. So, Mowgli used to live in a jungle and he was very happy when walking through the jungle in the morning and he was singing a song. So, as he was moving towards the forest, he met his friend Baloo, the bear. So, who is he? Baloo the bear. So these both are friends. So they are both friends now. So Baloo said, "What a beautiful song. I wish I can add music for your song, but I cannot play music for you." Then suddenly what happened? The sound came from the branches of the tree and they both saw up from where the noise is coming. Then what happened? So on the branches there were few monkeys who heard them while they were discussing about the music. So then the monkeys said that we will play music for you. Then Mowgli asked, "But how do you play music?" Baloo and Mowgli asked. Then they said, "No need to worry, we don't have guitars. We will be playing with hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground." So they hit with their hands and made a nice sound, that is duck buck dub dub dub. So that was the sound they made from the hollow trunk. Then few of them made the sound from the dried gourds with seeds in them and they started shaking them like rattles. As you can see here, they started shaking like rattles. Then the sound was chang 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 a chang. So few monkeys tied some vines of a tree to a few branches and began to play them like guitars. Okay, as you can see here, these are the vines that is tied to a few branches and they started playing like a guitar. Twang 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 a twang. That was the music came out from the guitars. So then Mowgli was very happy, exclaimed is nothing but very surprised that how they made the sound with that instruments. So he is very happy and he said that what a wonderful music band you make. Then Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. Then who sang a song here? Yes, Mowgli sang a song and the monkeys played the music along with him. Then the sound of the band was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing too. Baloo too started dancing and singing. "Boopity doo da, boopity doo," he said. So then what a lovely time they had. They enjoyed a lot. So this story was taken from the Jungle Book, which was written by Rudyard Kipling. Alright children, understood? So can you identify this picture? Who are they? This is Mowgli and this is Baloo. So both are friends. Alright. Now let us see question answers part. So what was Mowgli doing when he met Baloo? Yes, the answer is Mowgli was walking through the forest and singing a merry song. Alright, second question is, what did Baloo say about Mowgli's song? Baloo said that Mowgli's song was beautiful. So who played music for Mowgli and Baloo? Monkeys played the music for Mowgli and Baloo. With what they made? With the howling and shrieking on the branches of the trees. Next question. How did they make music? The monkeys hit a hollow trunk with their hands to make the sound of a drum. This much if you write, it's easy, okay? No problem. What a wonderful music band you make. Who said this to whom? Yes, Mowgli said this to the monkeys. Well, So with this we have completed question answers part. Now let us see here, choose the correct answer. Baloo and Mowgli looked up the tree because they heard a sound above them. Okay, they heard the sound above them, that's why they saw up at the tree. Next, second is, the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree to play it like a drum. So option A is the correct one. Third one, the monkeys laughed at what Baloo said because they did not need guitars or drums to play music. Option C is correct. Well, here C bit and D bit is not necessary, children. Let us see here grammar bit. This part is related to verbs. One of the part of speech, verbs. What are verbs here? Verbs are nothing but action words. Something which you do is called verb. So here by seeing the picture you can identify what is he doing. He is cooking. So cook you have to select from this help box. Next, second is catch. Third one is skip. Next, fourth one is hug. Fifth one is climb. Sixth one is drive. Okay. Next one. So B bit is complete the sentences with the correct verbs from the brackets. First one, Jatin walks to the library every evening. The daily routine, we will be adding S or ES to the verb. So we add here S, walks, because Jatin is a third person singular. Alright, next, the children dash in the playground. The children play in the playground. Next, the moon rises at night. So rises is the correct answer. Next, Amma eats lunch at 1 o'clock. So eats you have to use. Naina drinks a glass of milk before going to school. So drinks is the correct answer. Alright, so this passage bit no need to learn, children. And let us see here vocabulary. I am a rabbit. I live in a burrow. This is a burrow. Okay. Next. Second one. I am a bee. I live in a hive. This is called as hive, children. Okay. Next, third one. I am an ant. I live in an ant hill. Next, I am a horse. I live in a stable. Next, I am a spider. I live in a web. So till here you have to learn, children. This speaking bit is not necessary. Till 46 page number you have to learn. And next we will be seeing here 6th lesson. Please take out 6th lesson, children. Yes, the mango tree. The mango tree is, the name itself indicates this story is about mangoes, right? So it is a hot summer day, and who is taking care of that garden? Chowkidar. So this is the Chowkidar. He is taking care of the garden because few little boys comes to the grove and they pluck the juicy fruits. So and he chase away the birds also. Okay, so that's why he is taking care of the garden. Then everywhere, whenever there are no mangoes, you will find birds and animals on the sturdy branches of the mango. Whenever there are no mangoes, all the birds will be coming and staying there on the mango tree. Then parrots, blue jays and the little green coppersmiths make their nests here. As you can see here, owl lives in holes high up in the trees, and the monkeys also, they swing on the trees from the branches during the day and they rest at night. Okay, next, turn the page. Then, so this tree is called as a majestic tree. Okay, so that fruits will be very juicy, and the mango is known as the king of fruits. So till here we will stop, children. The remaining bits, the remaining explanation I'll be explaining you in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.